Good morning, everyone. So, as you can see, this picture, the biggest one, we call it Padat Islands. And then we put some pictures also. This is Komodo. This is procession of Tuan. And this one is Padat Island. And then Kelimutu Lake. We also put the price for 3 days, 2 nights, 1.3 million for packs. So and then we put the accommodation, Ayan Hotel, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and double bed, also single bed. And then the accessibility we put from Summer Dives from Summer Dive Company, we put Summer Dive ship, tour guide, equipment, and also tour like climbing, swimming, diving, and snorkeling. First, Padat Islands. As you can see, Padat Islands is small, but it's the third largest island of Komodo National. It's mostly savanna covered, sterile landscape fringed by bright green mountains of fairy tales. So we can hiking here, climbing, and take some pictures over there. Next, Kelimutu Lake. Kelimutu Lake, Mount Kelimutu is a volcano located in Flores Island, Nusa Tenggara Timur, Indonesia. The volcano has three lakes on its crates. The lake is known as Danau Tiga Warna because the lake has three different colors, red, blue, and white. This lake is one of the most popular lake in the world and one of the most popular lake in Indonesia also because unique. Then Tuan Ma procession. The spiritual tradition of Semana Santa in Lartuka, East Flores, Nusa Tenggara Timur, has been sorry, East Flores, Nusa Tenggara, has been going on for more than 500 years. This one is unique tourism religion because many people around the world come to the Flores for doing the amazing procession. We have to walk like 10 hours to finish this procession. Then Komodo Island. Komodo Island and then Komodo Island and Komodo. Komodo is the world's largest terrestrial reptiles. These animals include the endangered animals because these animals are endemic. Endemic means these animals live only in certain areas. Komodos only live on island called Komodo Island, Indonesia. Komodo in Indonesia have types of carnivorous animal. This animal has a tongue then that is slightly elongated shapes at the tip of the tongue like snake. Research show that the end of the forked tongue serves to taste the food. This animal usually make their nests underground. Sorry, and animal that's very unique because it has two ways to reproduce. Reproduce. So let's join with us. Let's hiking, diving, and having fun in Flores with our company. You can check our email at Flores Tour and Travel, Facebook Flores Tour and Travel, and our phone number is 082247900760. So thank you very much and hope you guys can join with us having fun with our company for stuff. See you guys. Thank you.